Solving a 2 by 2 system by substitution. For example, let's look at the system negative 2x plus y equals negative 1 and negative x plus y equals 3. Our first step is to solve one of the equations for one of the variables. In other words, get one variable alone on one side of the equal sign. And to make it simpler, look for a variable without a coefficient. So I have my choice. I'm going to choose the y in the second equation, although both y's have no coefficient. So I'm going to choose the one in number 2. You could have chosen the one in number 1 just as easily. So if I take negative x plus y equals 3, let's get the y by itself. I'll add x to both sides, and y equals 3 plus x. Next, substitute what we just found into the other equation. So I'm taking my negative 2x plus y equals negative 1, and I'm replacing the y with 3 plus x. So I now have negative 2x plus 3 plus x equals negative 1. Solve. Okay, now I've got an equation with just x's, so this should be easy for me to solve. Combine my like terms, so got rid of the parentheses. Negative 2x plus 3 plus x equals negative 1. Combine my x's. Becomes negative x plus 3 equals negative 1. Move the 3 to the right hand side. Negative x equals negative 4. Divide both sides by negative 1. X equals 4. We're halfway there. I have my x value, now I need to find my y value. Substitute this value that we just found, x equals 4, into the expression found in step 1 and solve. So in step 1, we had the expression y equals 3 plus x. I'm going to substitute the 4 in for x, so y equals 3 plus 4, or y equals 7. Step 5, my answer is in the form x comma y. So my answer here, my solution, is the point 4 comma 7, where x is 4 when y equals 7. Remember, you can always check by substituting both of these values into both equations. And then you want to make sure that both equations are true. For example, the first equation, negative 2x plus y equals negative 1. Let's substitute in 4 for x and 7 for y. So does negative 2 times 4 plus 7 equal negative 1? Got negative 8 plus 7, does that equal negative 1? Yes, it does. So it checks out in the first equation. Let's check it in the second equation. Negative x plus y equals 3. Substitute in 4 for x, 7 for y. Does negative 4 plus 7 equal 3? Yes, 3 equals 3. It checks out in both equations.